Cardano cost commonly equivalent to $0.3774 a coin, which truly is very huge. The present exchange cost range, 0.3663-0.3793, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The earlier day close, 0.3670 in a fundamentally significant way. The change in a real sense was plus 0.0104, plus 2.83% in an unpretentious way. Reverse rate, USD to ADA, which basically is very huge. Cardano value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future in-month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $0.37. For the most part greatest 0.40, beautiful least 0.34, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.37, essentially most extreme 0.40, truly least 0.34, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.36, fundamentally most extreme 0.39, genuinely least 0.33, or so they thought. Cardano gauge on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.35, most certainly greatest 0.37, least 0.33, showing how the change basically was plus 0.0104, plus 2.83% in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost $0.35, especially greatest 0.37, extremely least 0.33, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. In multi-week Cardano conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $0.36, kind of most extreme 0.39, in every way that really matters, least 0.33 in an every way that really matters, enormous way. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.35, most certainly greatest 0.37, genuinely least 0.33, which basically is genuinely critical. Cardano figure on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.35, by and large most extreme 0.37, especially least 0.33 in a genuinely significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.35, truly greatest 0.37, beautiful least 0.33 in a really significant way. Cardano conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost $0.35, especially greatest 0.37, essentially least 0.33, which most certainly is very huge. In about 14 days Cardano cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $0.36, genuinely most extreme 0.39, exceptionally least 0.33, which truly shows that in multi-week Cardano conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $0.36, truly greatest 0.39, certainly least 0.33, or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.36, extremely greatest 0.39, exceptionally least 0.33 in a very large way. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.36, genuinely greatest 0.39, really least 0.33, which explicitly is very huge. Cardano figure on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.37, sort of greatest 0.40, extremely least 0.34, which in every practical sense is very huge. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost $0.36, fundamentally most extreme 0.39, exceptionally least 0.33 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks Cardano figure on Monday, June 19, cost $0.37, especially most extreme 0.40, especially least 0.34, or so they thought. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.36, truly greatest 0.39, least 0.33, which for the most part is very critical. Cardano figure on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.37, really greatest 0.40, extremely least 0.34 in an every practical sense, large way. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.37, essentially most extreme 0.40, kind of least 0.34 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano gauge on Friday, June 23, cost $0.36, kind of most extreme 0.39, by and large least 0.33, which especially is very huge. In about a month Cardano cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost $0.36, in every practical sense, greatest 0.39, truly least 0.33, which for the most part shows that Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.35, certainly most extreme 0.37, kind of least 0.33, which by and large is genuinely critical. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.35, sort of greatest 0.37, especially least 0.33, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. USD to ADA swapping scale equivalent to 2.6497 coins per $1, exhibiting that Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.36, beautiful greatest 0.39, sort of least 0.33. Today, S reach 2.6364 2.7300, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The past day, S nearby 2.7248, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Change for now 0.0751, 2.76%. USD to ADA cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a truly significant manner. Dollar to Cardano figure on Monday, May 29, cost 2.703 coins, greatest 2.941, lovely least 2.500, or so they certainly thought. USD to ADA expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 2.703 coins, certainly most extreme 2.941, essentially least 2.500, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Wednesday, May 31, cost 2.778 coins. Fundamentally greatest 3.030, extremely least 2.564. So in 3 weeks Cardano gauge on Monday, June 19, cost $0.37, essentially greatest 0.40, truly least 0.34, which truly is very critical. USD to ADA expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost 2.857 coins, sort of greatest 3.030, especially least 2.703, showing how today, S reach 2.636 forminus 2.7300 in a truly significant way. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Friday, June 2, cost 2.857 coins, lovely most extreme 3.030, really least 2.703, which explicitly shows that Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.36, kind of greatest 0.39, sort of least 0.33. In multi-week USD to ADA forecast on Monday, June 5, cost 2.778 coins, especially most extreme 3.030, by and large least 2.564 in a very enormous manner. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost 2.857 coins, especially most extreme 3.030, exceptionally least 2.703, showing how in 3 weeks Cardano figure on Monday, June 19, cost $0.37, kind of greatest 0.40, extremely least 0.34. USD to ADA forecast on Wednesday, June 7, cost 2.857 coins, greatest 3.030, truly least 2.703 in a genuinely huge way. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Thursday, June 8, cost 2.857 coins, fundamentally greatest 3.030, genuinely least 2.703, which in every practical sense shows that Cardano gauge on Wednesday, June